Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will guide you through the simple step to log in into Tenet Health. Whether you are a patient, employee or just want to access your medical record, this tutorial will guide you through the process. Let's dive in. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser. Whether you are using Chrome, Firefox, Safari or any other browser of your choice, make sure it is up and running. Now, next in the address bar, type in Tenet Health login. Once you type in Tenet Health login, now hit enter. Now, here you get to see the eTenet site on your screen. So click in this section. Here, you will be directed to the login page. You need to enter your user ID in this section and password in this section. So type in your username and password. Make sure you input them correctly to avoid any login issues. After entering your credentials, double check to ensure they are accurate. Once you are certain, now click on the login button below the login field. Once you are logged in, depending on your role and permission, you will have access to different features and resources within the platform of eTenet. Hence, by this way, you can log in into the Tenet through your PC. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.